Hello and welcome to Learning Factory. Let us see today how to set index and columns in pandas data frame. So to begin with, let us first import pandas. So import pandas as PD, and now we can use pandas. So now let us try to create a data frame using dictionary. So let's create first a dictionary, say data, with 4 keys: name, occupation, date of join, and age. And each key is having 2 values. So we will be creating a data frame with 2 rows and 4 columns. So let's try to create this data frame. So say employees. Let us assume that this is the employees data. So let us create the data frame employees pd dot data frame, and we would like to use this as the data dictionary to create the data frame, and let's try to print it. So we have created a data frame with 4 columns: name, occupation, date of join, and age. And by default the row labels are 0 and 1. We are having 2 rows here, right? It is possible to provide some label other than this 0 and 1, some label or the index value to the row. So how we are going to do that? So to do that, we will be using the data frame method with data as the data, and let us try to give index equal to, say, emp001 and emp002. So these are the index values for 2 rows, those we have. And it is also possible to explicitly provide the names of the columns. So in this way, it would be possible to explicitly provide the index as well as column names. So let us assume that we are providing the columns as, say, name, then same, let us give the same column names. We do not want to change anything. So occupation, whichever are the key values, the same thing that we are providing. Date of join, and the fourth is age, right? So this is how we have created index and column. And now let's try to print this. So see here, we have changed the index as employee 001 and employee 002. So these are the index labels now. So it is possible to use this index to provide the explicit index for the data frame, and these columns to provide explicit names of the columns for the data frame. So that's all with this video. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Please subscribe the channel, like and share among your friends. Thank you.